In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the SKU fields in your Shopify store. This process is crucial because it helps maintain an organized inventory system, which is vital for any successful business. So let's dive right into it and make sure you can seamlessly manage your products. First, you will want to go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You will see several options available to you, but right now, we're going to focus on products. Go ahead and give that a click. This area is where you manage all your products and collections, which means it's really the heart of your store's inventory management. Now, you need to find the specific product you wish to edit. You'll see a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Carefully scan through this list and select the product that needs an update. After clicking on the product, you'll be directed to its details page. This page holds all the crucial information about your product, from its title to its pricing and everything in between. We're particularly interested in the bottom part of this page, so scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This is where you can manage your stock levels and, crucially, where you'll find the SKU fields. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit, and it's a unique identifier for each distinct product and service that can be purchased in your store. It's vital for tracking your inventory internally and can also be helpful during order fulfilling and managing your stock externally with suppliers. In this section, you'll see an area designated for entering SKU numbers. This is where you'll want to make any necessary edits to align with your organizational needs or perhaps update them if you've decided on a new system. Carefully enter the desired SKU for the product you're working on. Remember to double-check your entries because accuracy here is key to inventory management. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, turn your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a Save button, and it's important that you click it. Shopify won't automatically save updates, so pressing this button is essential to ensure all of your changes are secured. And there you have it. Your SKU has been successfully updated. To fully capitalize on this update technique, simply repeat this process for each product or variant you wish to edit. Keeping consistent and up-to-date SKU numbers will save you time in the long run and can improve your efficiency in managing your store. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling on Shopify!